Today's topic is, what do you look for in hiring a criminal defense attorney? If you're in the process of looking to hire a criminal defense attorney, stick around. I think you're going to love this video. My name is Dod. I've been a criminal defense attorney here in Southern California since 2004. My firm is Dod Law. We're located here in downtown San Diego, and we have an office up in Vista. Today I want to talk to you about, what do you look for when you're hiring a criminal defense attorney? Now, if you're watching this video, there's a very high probability that you're looking for a criminal lawyer for yourself, for a family, friend, loved one, for somebody that needs a criminal defense attorney. That's why you're here, and I'm sorry to hear that you need a criminal defense attorney. And I've always told people, it's really good to know me. However, if you need me, it's an unfortunate situation, but I'm here to fight for you. I've been doing this for almost 19 years. So what do you look for when you're hiring a criminal lawyer? Number one, don't get caught up in everyone's websites, because everyone has a website that has all their accolades and awards, and everyone's website looks good. So if you go on any criminal defense attorney's website, their website looks good, or they wouldn't even have a website. So websites are misleading. Do not rely heavily on their website. Talk to clients that have represented them. Look at their reviews. If it's a referral, then that's better than just someone that you're finding online. You can go to our website, you can, see all our accolades and everything that we've done, but at the end of the day, that means nothing to you, right? Because every case is different. You can go to the reviews, you can review everyone's reviews, but the most important thing, number one, when you're looking to hire a criminal defense attorney, is when you call that number on their website, you want to make sure that the attorney doesn't answer the phone, right? So, for example, if somebody goes to my website and they call the number on my website, and I'm thank you for calling Dod Law, that is not what you want. Because that's a small-time criminal lawyer that doesn't have the resources and the staff to get you the best possible outcome. Are you going to go and do a brain surgery or a heart surgery when you call your doctor and he quickly picks up his phone and says, "Hi, this is Dr. So-and-so"? No, you're not going to do that. So for the same way, if you call a number on a website and it either goes to a voicemail or the actual attorney picks it up, that's a no-no. The next thing you need to look for is, when you're talking to somebody at the firm, you want to make sure that before you hire that firm, that you're actually talking to the attorney that's going to handle your case. A lot of firms are going to put their intake person on the line, and they're going to bounce you back and forth to different people, and then you're going to talk to another attorney, and it's not even that attorney that's going to be the one handling your case. So you can go on their website, you can see all their accolades and all their awards and all their reviews, but at the end of the day, it's some rookie out of law school who is never, ever been in a courtroom. He's the one that's going to try your case now. You got to make sure you talk to the attorney that's actually handling your case. The next and most important thing that I want to spend a lot of time on is, your criminal defense attorney should be a criminal defense trial attorney, right? Not a criminal defense plea bargain attorney. Now, there are several attorneys across this country that will take a case with no intention at all of fighting the case or taking the case to trial, and whatever offer they get from the DA is the first offer that they're going to get, and they're going to force and try to convince the client and his family to take the deal. You want an attorney that goes to trial. Why? Because if you have an attorney like myself who has done almost 100 jury trials, who goes to trial, who's respected in trial, who wins at trial, prosecutors know that. So they're going to give the attorney that goes to trial a much better deal than the one that doesn't go to trial. It's simple. Think about it, right? So an attorney that they know is going to make them work, they're going to give them a better deal because, listen, at the end of the day, prosecutors are lazy. They don't want to do a trial. They don't want to bring in all their witnesses. They don't want to bring in their alleged victims. They don't want to bring in police officers. Police officers don't want to take the time out to come testify. So what the DA is going to do is at the beginning of the case, they're going to give you a BS offer to see if you're going to take it. And the majority of attorneys are just going to take that first offer and get it over with. A trial attorney will not take it. And they'll take it to the next step, which would be in a felony, a preliminary hearing, and a misdemeanor, a jury trial here in California. So if your attorney is a well-respected trial attorney who goes to trial, who wins, they're going to get you a better deal than the one that doesn't go to trial. It's very simple. Prosecutors know who goes to trial. I know every single prosecutor here in San Diego County. Not every single one. I'm just saying. I know probably about 80% of them. I've been doing this for so long. There's a lot of young ones that come in every year, but for the most part, I know the majority of DAs here in San Diego County, and I talk to them, and they tell me, "Yeah, that guy doesn't go to trial. Why would I give him a deal? He doesn't go to trial." But when you have an attorney that goes to trial and is respected, they're not going to mess with you. They're going to give you the deal, and if you don't like the deal, then you go to trial, and if you push the case all the way and you go all the way to the end, you might get a better deal right before trial. So most important thing, hire a criminal defense trial attorney. Ask your attorney, how many trials have you done? Have you ever done a jury trial like this one? Because a lot of attorneys will say, "Oh yeah, well, yeah, I've done a jury trial." Yeah, that's great. Anyone can do a misdemeanor DUI trial. Anyone can do that. Have you done a murder trial? Have you done a child molest trial? Have you done a rape trial? Have you done a 3 strikes trial? Have you done a robbery trial? Have you done a residential burglary trial? Have you done a strangulation domestic violence trial? Have you done these types of trials? That's the relevant question, not whether or not you've done trials, because anyone can go and do a misdemeanor DUI trial or a misdemeanor domestic violence trial. You want to know if your attorney has done a trial similar to the one that you want to retain them on. The next important thing, and this is what I think is the most important thing when you're looking to hire a criminal defense attorney, make sure your criminal defense attorney only handles criminal defense. Don't hire a law firm who does wills and trusts, family law, corporations, contracts, criminal law, family law, divorce law. No. Your criminal defense attorney should only do criminal defense. It's simple. The consequences in a criminal case are so severe that they have to focus their attention only on criminal defense. You don't want your criminal defense attorney in a probate court fighting over probate and dealing with wills and trusts. You don't want that. You want your criminal lawyer in court every day fighting for a client in a criminal case. It's that simple. It's that important. The consequences are so severe that it is a complete mistake if you hired anyone that doesn't primarily focus on criminal defense. I hope this video helps. My name is Dod. I've been an attorney here in San Diego since 2004. My firm is Dod Law, exclusively criminal defense. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, you can give me a call, 619-814-5110. Go to our website, www.dodlaw.com. Hope this helps. Have a great day.